Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Excel to find the area under the normal curve. I have three situations here. One in which I want to find the area to the left of 73 for test scores with a mean of 68 and a standard deviation of 7. Then I want to find the area to the right of 80 for test scores with a mean of 68 and a standard deviation of 7. And then finally, I want to find the area between 62 and 70 for test scores with a mean of 68 and a standard deviation of 7. So the first thing we need to know is that Excel always gives us the area to the left when we use its normal distribution function. So in the first situation, when we want to find the area to the left of 73, we can start by typing equal normal. And we see that norm.dist comes up, so that's what we want. And then you can see it tells us what it's asking for. It wants a value of x, it wants a mean, it wants a standard deviation, and it has this question about cumulative. So x, of course, would be our data value that we want to find the area to the left of, so we'll type in that. The mean we have here of 68 for this particular one. The standard deviation we said was 7. And for this cumulative, that means do you want just the probability at 73 or do you want everything up to 73? So we always want to find the entire area, so we will say true to that, and in order to say true to that, we type a 1 and it comes up as true. Close our parenthesis and hit enter. So now we have the area to the left of this value 73. If we want the area to the right of the value, we have to remember that Excel gives us the area to the left. So in order to find the area to the right, we know that the total area under the normal curve should be 1. So the area to the right of any particular value should be 1 minus the area to the left. So we'll use that here to find the area to the right. So we're going to type equal 1 minus, and then we're going to type NORM, and we see our normal distribution again. And then we pretty much do the same thing that we did before. So we're going to enter our data value, which is 80. We're going to enter our mean, which is 68. Our standard deviation, which is 7. And we want it to be cumulative, so we will enter 1. So remember that the normal distribution is giving us the area to the left, but because we wrote 1 minus the normal distribution, we will now get the area to the right. All right, and then the last situation is if we want the area between two values. So here what we would do is if I went ahead and found the area to the left of 62, that would be this piece over here. And then if I found the area to the left of 70, that would be this entire thing. So we can see that if I take the area to the left of 70 and I subtract the area to the left of 62, that's going to give me the area between the two values. So that's what we're going to tell Excel to do. So we're going to take the area, 70 is going to be the bigger one, so we'll put that one first. So we're going to take the normal distribution with our data value of 70, our mean of 68, our standard deviation of 7, and we want it to be cumulative, so we put a 1. And then we're going to subtract the normal distribution value for 62. So again, we'll type normal distribution here. And now we're going to use the smaller one, which is the 62. And we still have the same mean of 68. We still have the same standard deviation, and we still want to be cumulative, so we type 1. So notice we're taking the normal distribution of the larger data value and then subtracting the normal distribution of the smaller data value, and that should be the area between the two values.